So you landed on this deal because you wanted to see the real wins and losses in Copy Pro traders. And I'm going to show it to you. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And look, I know, I always hear it. We want to see the profits. Hey, you know what? One of my main sayings is documentation beats conversation, and it's funny because I was showing my results because I like to break things down. Like when I'm joining a company, I want to show everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, and just really, really, really break it down. So, they didn't have Copy Pro Trades actually used to then have a guide where you can actually see your wins and your losses. I mean, they showed all your trades, but you had to break it down what the numbers meant, and if you didn't know crypto numbers and all that, and cracking didn't make it all that simple to figure it out either, then you had to do your own calculations and figure out which trades won, which ones lost, and by how much they got in it for, so forth and so on. So if you was newbie or somebody that's just into crypto or anything like that, you wouldn't have knew what you was looking at. I mean, I'm not even a newbie and I didn't even know what I was looking at. So, that was one thing. So then I started doing some videos and I was showing my proof. I was showing that, okay, look, this is how much I made on the affiliate side. Because I'm a marketer. I'll be the first one to admit. I'm not one of those people like, well, if it's working, then show us the trades. And why you showing us marketing? Because I'm a marketer, okay? Anybody that follows me should know that by now. So, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know what I mean? So at the end of the day, I was showing, like, look, this is how much I cashed out as from the affiliate side. Then you get the trolls, show us the trades. No one wants to see how much I made off of the P-ball. Disgruntled, bitter haters. So we're going to show you what we've made from the trades today, okay? Like I said, I'm going to give y'all everything. So I told y'all, just hold your horses. So let's just dive right in. So go to my dashboard. Let's go to trade history. And as you can see, now you are able to see everything. All right. So as of right here, you can see, matter of fact, let's put this to all entries so we get to see everything, and then we'll just scroll down. All right. So this is where we're currently at right here. As you can see, I have some open trades. Okay. Now this is the reason why you might see in your account, like if you join, let's say you put $1,000 in, and then you see you got some open trades, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right now we have 6 open trades, right? And you might be saying, well, why does it still show $1,000? Well, that's the reason, because as you can see, there's no balance right here. There's no win or lose right here, because they don't usually sell out until it's in profit. Now, every now and then they have to take a loss, but for the most part, if you really look down here, you'll see that you see a lot more wins than you'd see losses. Like, look, here go one loss. Here go another loss, here go another one. But if you were to count these up compared to all the wins, I mean, those losses are so not even a factor. And then look at right here, not even much of a loss. Look, they bought in for 28.58 and they lost 28. They closed out 28.12. So we're not even talking about anything significant. You're talking about like 40 cent, 30 cent, 20, you know what I mean? Like not even nothing super significant. Now, of course, sometimes it'll be more than that. Like right here, Shay bought in for 1,521.16 and they ended up closing out at 508. Okay. So of course that's a lot more than just some 30, 40 cent. But again, it's nothing significant, especially if you have $1,000 account, right? And then same thing goes for the actual wins. If you go for the look all the wins that's here, then not including the ones that's on the open trade, but let's just look at the wins. Bought it 518, closed at 535. It's not a bad little profit there, right? 932, 194, and they usually going for 2%, but at least the trade I was trading at the time, but Doha. But she's and most of these right here, like towards the bottom, these are all Doha trades. I barely switched it up right now to a new trader because he's been trading at 12%, and that's pretty phenomenal. So 2%, 12%, no brainer. That's 10% more. I'm definitely going with that trader. So I've been testing them out right now. So we're in right now. All these trades right here are actually from him, and we'll see how that all plays out. But for the most part, as you can see, I mean, it's just been it's been great. And like I told people, this isn't a get rich quick scheme. Okay. So if that's what you used to putting your money in and getting a exact percentage out every day, and while they hold your money, that's not what this is. It's enough of those little Ponzi money games running out there. This is something legit. It's a marathon. Put your money in, let it grow in time. I like to make it make sense like this. Most of us have crypto, right? Sitting in a wallet somewhere. Okay, if you're watching this video, you probably have crypto sitting in the wallet, and you only earn money from it as the price of that coin rises. But if it gets like this, if it's flat, then you're not earning anything. It's just sitting there. Like a lot of people that bought Bitcoin in 2017 have just been sitting like this till now. So what if from 2017 you had an account like this, and again, this is your account on your exchange, okay? They're not holding your money. So right now, this is going through my Kraken account. Okay, so what if right now you had these type of trades being taken since 2017 and now? Then Bitcoin also rose. So not to mention, so these little gains, like 36, right, $14, $20 gains. But then think about it, that $20 can easily double or triple as Bitcoin rises. Bitcoin right now is at 50 something thousand. So it's predicted to go to 70,000 and 100,000 by the end of the year. Imagine if that was to happen. Now these $20 gains turn into $100, and then multiple times. So is that better than your money sitting in the wallet? Absolutely. And that's the way you really want to look at this. You don't want to look at this as like, oh, I need to be cashing out daily. Because if you do that, then you're really going to be missing the boat, and you're not going to really be getting the full potential out of what we have here. But if you look at the bigger picture and say, you know what? It's a marathon, not a race. So let me just put my money in that was already sitting anyways. It was already sitting in some other wallet, but it just wasn't making you any money. Now let me bring it over here, you know what I mean, to a wallet that's actually going to make me some cash as it's growing. Now, the nice thing I like about Copy Pro traders is what? Well, something big, right? If they was to go down tomorrow, your money is still in your possession. Let me say that again for the people in the back. If your money if the company was to crash tomorrow, crash and burn, your money's still sitting in your Kraken account or your whatever account, Binance or whatever one you chose, but it's still sitting there in your account. This is the safest thing that I know right now that can grow your crypto, you know what I mean, in time with minimal risk. The only risk is putting your faith in a trader. And even that's not so risky because you can monitor the trades, right? And if I don't like what I see, I can change these trades. I can change these traders at the drop of a dime. Just boop, switch it over, and now someone else is trading with me. Matter of fact, I'll show you. I go exchange settings. I come right here, and I can pick the trader I want. Now, what CPT has done, which is also cool, is if you notice, is they actually mark the top trader for the week or for the month and put them in order. So if you was wondering, like you came in and say, oh man, I wonder who should I pick right now? Who's the trader to pick? Oh man, I don't know, right? Well, it shows you in real time. It says Marcus Ruffin's the best. Right now he's doing 12%. The man is crushing it. Jonathan Lee, Doha. I actually had Doha used to be the #1 trader at one point in time. So it goes to show you things can change, fluctuate. They actually added a new trader on. So now they have 7 total traders to choose from. As you can see, you can pick your Kraken account, you know what I mean, right here. Or you can pick HT, hit BTC or Binance. Okay. And just to also show you what this looks like, let me show you something real fast. If you would have had, let's say you was playing with 3,000, right? Let's do that. Let's see right here. Let's go right here. Let me show you. So if right now you was trading $300 a pop. Now I was just going to leave 1,000 in because I want you guys to mark my progress from $1,000 account on up. But I'm about to add some more money in there. So I'm about to add, probably like 5,000 or something like that, 10. That way I can take $300 trades and not over leverage my account. Because you want to be in as many trades as possible, because the way it works is as the price is going down, and they're taking these trades, And let's say the one up here ain't in profit yet. They're not going to close it out. They're going to let it sit there and do what it need to do until price goes back up, and then they'll close it out. So that might take a week. It might take a month. You don't want to be sitting with bare minimum and making your bare minimum your maximum, because you might be sitting there waiting for this trade to close, and it'll close eventually, but now you can't get none of these other trades they're taking. So you're not making money down here while you're waiting for price to get back up here. That makes sense. So you want to be able to maximize all this and get as many trades as you can. Okay, that's how you're gonna really maximize the situation. So as you can see, Marcus, look, he's just beating everybody by miles. So he took 46 trades. Okay, profit 1,453 if you was taking $300 per trade. So if you took $300 per trade, this is what you would be up for the month. So people that are looking for those big gains, significant, then you can do your own math, and here it is right here. And this is all you would have to do. Same thing. Jonathan, 52 trades, you'd be up 735. 30 trades from Raymond, you'd be up $320. 49 from Doha, you'd be up 380. And this ain't even on the small scale, and Joe just got started, so I don't mind him and Clarence. But even on the small scale, that's not small, because you adding to your BTC. And again, if BTC goes up, look at right here. If you would have been in at this 1,453 and BTC goes up, what could that look like at the end of the year? This could easily turn to $5,000, $6,000, $8,000. And remember, pure profit. Pure profit. This don't even include if you want to get involved in the affiliate side. And I'm not even going to talk about that side today, because it's for all the people that say, show me the profits. Show me how much you're making from the trades. You know, we don't want to see what you're making from people. I'm little disgruntled people. So no problem. There you go. I give you what you're looking for. All right. So again, this is here it is in real time. Like I said, they go my trade history. You also, what I like to see is too is, look at all that green. You don't see too much red, do you? Let me go ahead and change it right here again. You don't see too much red. So out of all these trades, we got, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God. Out of 59 trades, we only got 6 losses. Let that sink in. 59 wins, 6 losses. And we're not even talking about major losses. Look, 1,640, 1,634 where it closed at. $26.25, $26.19 is where it closed at. I took a 6-cent loss. You know what I mean? 27.33, 27.07. You see what I'm saying? We're not even taking no major losses. 169.26, 169.22. I made a 4% loss. No, excuse me, not even 4%. 4 cents. Yeah, let's get that right. 4 cents. 4 pennies. I lost 4 pennies. Okay? This is for all the skeptics out there. For real, we got to make this clear. Okay? Now, here go the first, I would guess you would call significant loss, if you want to call it significant. Okay? What is that? 521.16, 508. So we lost about 10, 12 bucks, right? Again, no big deal. 28.58, 28.12. So mostly we're losing pennies. Like we're not even losing, and that was it. So that was it. Out of 59 trades, I've been here for about a month. Okay, so this is about a month's activity that you're looking at right here, maybe a little over. Matter of fact, it shows right here. So February 24th and it's the 29th. So a little over the month, because the March 29th right now as I'm doing this video. So February 24th, 2021 is when I first got started, and now it's March 29th, and these are the type of gains that we're dealing with, and this is the type of wins and losses. Right now, we're in open trades right now, so all this is open, but I'm pretty sure it's going to close in the green as well, because why would anything change from what we've already been dealing with, right? So here it is, real time, in your face, good, bad, ugly. I like to show it all, you know, but very, very, very awesome situation to be in. I'm loving Copy Pro Traders. So if you want to join, you want to see what it's all about, then hit the link below, cptelite.com, and then we'll get you going. I mean, if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. All right, you don't miss out, or you don't want to be one of the haters on the side and talk about show us the money, show us the profits. You ain't nobody want to see how much you made off people. Oh man, people be so butthurt, man. Look, for those that's watching, look, I am not a trader, okay? Yeah, I know how to trade. I know the fundamentals. I know support, resistance, Fibonacci, key zones. Yeah, I know all that, okay? But at the end of the day, I don't have time for that. I don't have time to be sitting in front of no charts. I don't have time to be analyzing and back testing, and I don't have time for that. Now, some of you might have passion for it. Awesome, more power to you. But if you like me and you want us to see your money grow on autopilot without you having to stare at charts all day, without you having to make these decisions, without you having to be the one in and out the market, then CPT is where it's at. It's only $99 a month, and you can easily offset that from getting 4 or 5 referrals or just trading and letting it do what it do. All right? So, till my next one. The next one will probably be, again, me cashing out, showing you that it works. And this is another thing. When I show that type of stuff, I'm showing so that you know that you can really cash out. And your money ain't just sitting in the office of the company looking at Monopoly money. Look at all that money on the screen, but you can't cash none of it out to your back, actually bank or wallet. All right. All right. So I appreciate you. See you on that next video. Hope this was helpful. And until then, have a blessed day.